Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So here I have 3 simple easy meals that can be done in less than 20 minutes during a busy work week. So first I have a salmon dish, a chicken dish, and also a quick and easy stir fry dish.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So my first dish will be my Scotch bonnet honey butter salmon with roasted veg, served up with jasmine rice and some string beans. So here I have my veg. I have some tender stem broccoli, carrots. I've got some red onions in there. I'm just going to season this lightly with some garlic powder, aromat, onion powder. I did put some smoked paprika, some dried mixed herbs, a good splash of olive oil. Then I'm going to roast this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now whilst that's been done, we're going to move on to the salmon. Now it's more tastier if you pre-season your salmon, if you can let it rest for at least an hour to make it more tasty, but I didn't have that time, so I just went in with some garlic and herb seasoning, my aromat, did a little bit of seafood seasoning and some olive oil. Then I'm just going to give this a good mix and just leave it to the side for about 5 to 10 minutes. For my string beans, I'm going to go in with some red chili flakes, my vegetable seasoning, a little bit of onion and garlic powder. And whilst after about 2 minutes of it boiling, I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Now onto the salmon. Here I'm using some wild salmon. Now this salmon cooks really quick. I'd say less than 5 minutes this salmon will be done. So literally just pan fry it both sides, as I said, for about 2-3 minutes per side and your salmon will be ready. When the salmon's finished, I'm just going to put it, cover it in a plate, cover it with a bit of foil paper and just leave it to rest whilst I make the sauce. Now I do like to go in with a little bit of sliced lemons in the pan with my salmon, because I do like that little lemony taste that it just works really well with the salmon for me. Now whilst my salmon is resting, I'm going to go ahead and make the sauces too. Some butter, I'm going to go ahead and add some crushed garlic, my soya sauce. I'm going to also add a little bit of honey, some Scotch bonnet sauce, hot sauce, and also a bit of ketchup just to bind the sauce. Now this sauce literally takes a few minutes to make. Now when the sauce is done, I'm just gonna put it over my salmon and just ready to plate up my dish. Also add a little bit of dry parsley. It's not a must, but I do like to, I like to see the little green bits floating around. It just make it just look nice. Now I did serve this over some jasmine rice and added a little bit of avocado to my meal. Meal done in less than 20 minutes. Now I moved on to this chicken salad. Now I was going to serve it up with some rice because I had some rice left over from the day before, but when the chicken was ready, I just decided I didn't want no rice, so I just ate the chicken and the salad. Now I have some boneless chicken thighs here that has been washed and clean. I'm going to lightly season it with my aromat, garlic powder, onion powder, mixed herb, smoked paprika, olive oil, the whole shebang. Just get your seasoning in there, and you can as well leave it to marinate for a while, but never really have the time because I didn't prepare it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cook it. Now if you want this with a little bit of heat, you can go ahead and add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Now when you're ready to make your chicken, I'm using my griddle pan, but you just use any little pan you have and just start frying. Now boneless chicken thighs don't need a long time to cook. I'd say within about 7-8 minutes this is completely ready. Now these are the type of meals that, you know, when you come home from work and you're a little bit tired, just something, you just want something quick and easy. These are just some easy little recipes for you to do without having to, you know, be in the kitchen for hours and hours, just literally in and out in no time. Now I do like to press on my chicken, just, you know, it's just maybe it's just a mind thing for me, but I just find that if I kind of press it, I just think if I kind of press it out a bit, then it, you know, inside just cooks a lot quicker and the heat just goes in there more. Now whilst I do my second batch of chicken, I'm gonna go ahead now and start making my salad. So, you know, just cut up your salad and just add it all. And the beauty about a salad is you can literally add what you like in a salad. Don't add something in there that you're not going to eat. Now I do like to remove the seeds from my cucumber and just, you know, because I find out when the seeds are in there, it just makes the salad too wetty and especially if you have some left over for the next day, just nah. So yeah, I'm literally using some romaine lettuce, my cucumber, some baby plum tomatoes and onions. Now I do like to squeeze a bit of lemon juice over the onions because I find that it just removes the harshness of the onion. I'm also gonna add some Kalamata olives and also some feta cheese. Now once I put my onions in there, the lemon juice that the onions was in, I just go in with a little bit of olive oil, some whole grain mustard, a little bit of honey, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of vinegar just to make a little sauce to put over the chicken. Just plate it up, salad in a bowl, just chop up your chicken, bite-sized pieces. I did have, I don't even know, stressed avocado, so, you know, we just have to use it up. Put that sauce over your chicken and your salad. And I do also like to add a little bit of, you know, salad cream just to make it more, you know, a little bit of creaminess to it. And that's another meal done, ready. In and out of this one literally took about 15 minutes with a prep included. Now for my next meal, I went in and did a quick stir fry. Now I did add some shrimp in it. There's a story to the shrimp, but anyway, so make sure you've got a pan on with boiled water. Now these noodles, they literally take about 3 minutes to cook, to soften up and cook. So whilst that's done, I'm gonna go ahead now and start doing my stir fry. So here I have some chopped onions and garlic, sauteing in some oil, literally for a few minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my mixed veg. Add a little bit of seasoning, vegetable seasoning, whatever seasoning you want to add in there, just, you know, so the food not fresh, and just give that a good old mix. Now for these shrimps, now, you know, there's a story behind it. The wrong shrimps were bought, so the shrimp that came back was actually cooked ones, and I thought, what the heck am I gonna do with it? So I just thought, you know what, just be perfect in a salad or a stir fry, because it's not gonna take long to cook, because you don't want to be cooking this too much because it's gonna get tough. So once my veg is half cooked, I'm just gonna make a little hole in the middle, add some toasted sesame oil. I did go ahead and cut up these shrimps because, yeah, I didn't want them to be big and just take too long and puff up, and yeah, so just mix that in. Now this literally took about 5 minutes. Now once your stir fried veg is ready, just go ahead and add your noodles. I did add some dark soya sauce, some sweet soya sauce, and some more of my toasted sesame oil. Once you add all of this, just give it a good old mix and your meal will be ready. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and please turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video for my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Now just plate up your stir fry. I do like to add a little bit of sesame seed on top, just, you know, make it pretty for the gram, you know the tingle. And there you have it, guys, 3 lovely, beautiful, delicious dishes ready in no time. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.